Crypto can make you rich or wipe out 30% of your portfolio overnight. Prices pump, prices crash. But what if there was a cryptocurrency that doesn't move at all? No volatility, no wild swings. Just digital dollars on the blockchain. That's where stablecoins come in. Welcome to BlockBoard, the channel where we make complex tech simple. Today, let's uncover what a stablecoin really is. A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency designed to stay stable in price. Most stablecoins are pegged to the US dollar. That means one stablecoin should equal $1, not 0.90, not 1.10, just $1. It moves on a blockchain like any other crypto, but behaves like cash. Bitcoin and Ethereum are powerful, but they're volatile. If you sell Bitcoin today, its price could change dramatically tomorrow. Stablecoins solve that problem. Instead of converting crypto back to your bank account, you move into a stablecoin. Your money stays inside crypto, but without price swings. It's like pressing pause on volatility. So how can a cryptocurrency stay at exactly $1? There are two main systems. Some stablecoins are backed by real-world assets. Others rely on algorithms and smart contracts. One uses reserves, the other uses code. Let's break both down. The most common type is collateralized stablecoins. This means for every one stablecoin issued, there should be one real dollar, or equivalent assets, held in reserve. For example, USDT and USDC follow this model. You give the company $1. They issue you one digital token. Simple. But here's the catch. You must trust the company holding the reserves. If reserves are mismanaged, or transparency is lacking, confidence can drop. And if people lose trust, the peg can break. The second type is algorithmic stablecoins. These are not backed by real dollars in a bank. Instead, they use smart contracts to control supply. If the price rises above $1, the system creates more coins. If the price drops below $1, the system reduces supply. It's like an automatic balancing machine. The advantage? It's decentralized. The risk? If confidence disappears, the system can collapse. Stablecoins are everywhere in crypto. Traders use them to move in and out of positions. DeFi platforms use them for lending and borrowing. Some people even send stablecoins internationally because they're faster than banks. They act like digital cash, but without borders. But stable doesn't mean risk-free. Collateralized stablecoins depend on trust. Algorithmic stablecoins depend on confidence. And neither has traditional bank insurance. If something goes wrong, there may be no safety net. That's why understanding what backs a stablecoin is extremely important. That's all for today's breakdown. If this helped you understand how blockchains really work, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto insights right here on BlockBoard.